What is up, everyone? Welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to TechMan. Today, our topic is all about how to transfer USDT from the BitGet wallet to Binance. Let's begin by opening the Binance app. In the Binance app, tap the Wallet tab at the bottom right of the screen. In the Wallet tab, tap Spot on the top of the screen. So I'm already on it. In the Spot tab, tap Ton, since we're here for Ton. In the Ton tab, tap Withdrawal at the bottom of the screen. Now a pop-up notification will appear. So let's tap Send via Crypto Network. As you can see, it needs an address. Since we're here for Telegram wallet, let's open Telegram. In the Telegram app, tap the three bars located at the top left of the screen. From here, tap the Wallet tab. In the Wallet tab, tap Ton space Beta. In the Ton space Beta tab, tap Deposit. Here, just copy the address. It's up to you if you want to scan it also by tapping Show QR Code. Mine is I will copy the address, so let me tap on Copy Address. Now let's go back to the Binance app. In the Binance app, paste the address and fill up the form that needs to be filled out except for the memo, since Telegram does not give a memo. After that, tap Withdraw. The pop-up notification will appear. So let's tap on Submit. The Authenticator app verification will appear. Just follow the verification process, and there, as you can see, the process has been made. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.